You may have heard the word dynamically typed languages and statically typed languages. So in this video, let's see what the difference is and what kind of language JavaScript is. So JavaScript is actually a dynamically typed language. So let's take a look on what the difference is. So let's say in JavaScript, we are creating a variable. I'm just going to make variable b or v is equal to, I'm going to type in some kind of text. So whatever there is. So when I create this variable, the kind of value inside this variable is actually a string. I can actually now reassign the value. So I can say v is equal to 1, 2, 3. And now v no longer has the string, it actually has a number, right? So in JavaScript, when you're creating these variables, you do not tell the JavaScript engine what kind of data you're putting in. You just say, hey, v is equal to whatever value. And the engine is smart enough to recognize what the type of the data there is. This nature is actually called dynamically typed language. That means that you do not have to tell the engine what type of data you're putting in. Remember, we talked about the type, string, number, boolean, null, undefined, and so forth. So that's what I'm talking about when I say type. Now, many other languages like Java and C++, they're actually statically typed languages. That means that when you create variables in those languages, you have to tell those engines that, hey, this is a string. So now these variables should only be given strings or numbers or booleans or whatever the variable you're creating. So that's basically the difference between a dynamically typed programming language versus a statically typed programming language. And JavaScript is a dynamically typed programming language. Talk to you in the next video.